Okay, Luca, so now we have here the pressure gauge, the normal manometer.
Okay, now we see all the, let's say, the installation of our standard kit of pressure profiling that we can be installed on the BZ group. But now we will remove our gauge, our standard gauge, and we want to show you an interesting feature where we have a digital gauge that you can connect to any device, downloading the app from internet. Okay, so we remove our analogic gauge
And switch from analog to digital.
and we switch from analog to digital, putting this sensor. Okay.
And the sensor is equipped with a battery.
This
right?
sensor is equipped with a battery and have a Bluetooth technology to be connected to your device, to your mobile, to your iPad, and to a scale. Now we will take a Bluetooth scale, and it can, as you can see, I show you. The battery is really long-lasting, but it's very easy to change. You have the electronic part and the battery over, under the plastic tap.
Yeah, so that's a cool cover.
Yeah. Okay.
Fantastic.
And now we will perform. We prepare the scale and we will perform a brewing with our new grinder. Okay. Now we show you the function of our digital pressure sensor connected to my iPhone. As you can see, we have an auto start function, so the device will start to show the data of the extraction when we reach 1 bar.
Yeah.
Here we will have displayed a graphic with the flow rate and the weight of the coffee that we are brewing. But all the data will start to be displayed on the screen when we reach 1 bar. Okay? We have connected on the other side a Bluetooth scale that I will put under the cap during the coffee extraction to give us the exact flow rate. Now at the moment we are using to weigh the amount of coffee that we will use to brew our coffee. This is our new doserless grinder with zero retention. It's very practical, very easy to clean. You can remove the output part of the coffee, clean it, and it's very silent and with zero retention. You can regulate the speed of the motor by this wheel.
Oh, that is nice.
So you can have also this feature. And now we will see it working. Okay, let's weight the 20 gram of our coffee.
Yeah.
This is my spoon. Okay, this is the spoon that we give with our coffee machine. Everybody asks what it's for. Usually it's calibrated for 6 grams of coffee. Okay, so we put 3 big spoons of coffee bean to reach, okay, it's a little bit more.
Maximum is 20 gram.
Okay, it's 20 grams to reach the 20 gram.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
We put it in our grinder and we grind it.
And what's the retention of the grinder?
The grinder is this pump that you can use to have a zero retention. Okay?
Yeah.
So in this case, it's very accurate and very easy to, let's say, clean, as I said before. Now we have our dose ready.
Wow, it's quite a lot. So
It's quite a lot. I put the 20 gram. Now we use the spreader to have a smoother flow of coffee during the extraction.
Cool. Now
Our leveler.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not a barista, you can see.
Yeah, but doesn't matter.
And
What matters is the principle that we try to do one step after the other.
Yes, of course. Everybody can
Et
demonstrate his barista skill. The important thing is to show you the function.
Yeah.
So we make the data, and we start to play with our flow control. Okay, we will see that the graphic start to build up the graphic when it reach 1 bar. Now we have the flow rate 2 grams per second. I can close and play with the pressure to reduce the flow.
Nice.
This is the pressure.
Wow.
And when you are happy about the result of your extraction, you can switch it off, and here you have all the data of your espresso extraction.
I mean, this is now only an example how it works.
This is an example how it works. It can be adapted to any brewing method, but with the espresso coffee machine is very useful. When you stay close to 1 gram per second, it means that your grinder is properly set. As I told you, I'm not a barista, but this coffee, it's very creamy.
Yeah.
Okay, probably it's a little bit too dark, but I think it's already a good result. And you have a parameter to understand your extraction. If the coffee flow too fast, you can reduce the grinding setting, so the grinding size. If the coffee go too slow, you can increase a little bit the setting of the grinder. Here you have the bar, so you know exactly when you play with the flow control which is the pressure that you are using. And at the end, here you have the graphic of what you did,
and
the extraction.
The cool thing is that we are in Germany, so then after lunch we still make a small cappuccino test, okay?
So, see you after lunch for our cappuccino.
Okay.
Grazie Marcus. Thank you.
Luca. Ciao.